Alright, bonjour, bonsoir, whatever they say. I'm in France, and probably the most ridiculous thing I've seen, or interesting thing I've seen, is a cat sucking on its thumb. I'm not joking. It's really cute, actually. Cat over my friend's house. She loves sucking on her thumb. See, I'm not joking. Hold on. There she goes again. I can't believe it. It's the first time I've ever seen a cat suck on its thumb. Hey, kitty. Unbelievable. Yep, we had to go international for this one. Brought to you from France. This is Deanna Cruz for Hot 106.